Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it's the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So get excited because today's video we're going to be talking about a fabulous hair tool. Yes, you guys saw it behind me there. Is this beauty here from Laifen, and this is so beautiful, so powerful. So I have it out of the box because I just dried my hair, and I actually, before drying my hair, I unboxed with you guys and show you guys how the tool came packed and everything that came in the box with. So now we're just going to be talking a little bit about this beauty and all the good things that it does. So it's a super gorgeous hair tool and very powerful. So you have the on and off button here, alright, and they actually have like a color LED display when you change the temperature. So you have a blue color for cool air, you have an orange color for a lower heat, and you have a red color for higher heat. And you have here two sets of high, super high and off. Alright, the tool is gorgeous and I already showed you guys when we unboxed. So now we're just going to talk a little bit about this beauty. And this beauty here is actually it's very light and very nice for such a powerful tool. This actually dry your hair 50% faster than the regular hair dryer, and it's true because I have a lot of hair and I dry my hair with no time with this, and my hair look beautiful and shine. And it's actually super quiet compared to other blow dryers, which is super loud for how powerful it is. And actually super light because the model is in the handle, not in the head, and that actually take the weight off your hand, and that's mean you can blow dry your hair for longer without getting tired, which is amazing. And that's true because I just did it and I'm not even tired normally with my other dryers. I am. And it does have a unique circular mode that you just hold down this button for 3 seconds and it changes temperature from cool to warm to hot, which is super cool. Keep a low and comfortable temperature from 50 to 80 degrees so you don't overheat and burn your hair, which is nice. High density negative iron technology air diffuser. This is like if you wanna use your hair curl and you don't wanna like a straight, you just use these for dry the hair and keep the curls intact. And I really like the design of this nozzle too, because this is like if you dry your hair with a round brush, you have a more precise and straight shoot, which give you a more smooth drying. Very nice. I'm going to have the link down below in the description of this video for Laifen, and they probably are having some nice sales going on now since we have a Black Friday is coming up, so everybody is having sales. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a discount code, but if I do, it's going to be on the description of this video, or I can put up here when I be editing. So either way, I always check the description because there always is a nice discount code there. Alright guys, so my hair is just towel dried. Going to first unboxing with you guys the Laifen hair dryer, and then we're gonna be trying. But so first I just want to show you guys everything how come in the box. The box is super beautiful. Here you have the hair dryer, it's well packed, it comes wrapped really nice. Here you have the power little thing. So let me just remove the plastic so we can see how beautiful this Laifen hair dryer is. Very beautiful tool. So let's see what else comes in the box. You get a nice air diffuser. When it's on, you just dry your hair like that so you don't break down your curls, which is really nice. This is gorgeous and it's a huge size. You have here the user manual. Alright, so it comes with the 3 nozzles. So so you have this one here that's very narrow. Then you have this other one here that have a little bit more space. Ooh, look at that. That's a magnetic. That's so strong. That's really cool. So this is like a magnetic. This is huge. This is really beautiful. Since we're gonna use this one. This was all in the box. So let's plug this beauty in. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of heat protector to my hair before we start. Wow. Alright, so let's turn it on. This is the lower setting. Okay. Look how gorgeous this is. And this is the highest setting. Very powerful. So I unmute you guys and speed it up so I can do this. Alright? So check the description because there always is a nice discount code there, so you can save some money. If you guys have any question about the hair dryer, please drop in the comment below and I will gonna answer the best I can. And the hair dryer is very, very beautiful, definitely. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. You guys let me know in the comment below what you think about this beauty, and I'm going to have their website for them down below so you guys can check. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I see you guys next video. Bye. Bye.